So we're back here at 30 on Dulwich to give you guys another quick update. And the update for today is that there are 4 units available. So a lot of persons have already made their purchase. A lot of persons have made changes to their unit. So yes, you're getting this empty space, but you can design it, you can convert it into exactly what you want. So we have 2 2-bedroom units available, and the cost for the 2-bedroom unit is $45 million. All right? And we have 2 1-bedroom units available, and they're going for $35 million each. So what I'll be doing in this video today, I'm going to just give you a quick walkthrough of 1 2-bedroom and 1 1-bedroom, and you guys can go in the description of this video, link up Mr. Keys, schedule a viewing, ask all the information that you need, and get in your application for one of these units. Right behind me, this is just a part of the view that you can get either from the room, or I'm currently on the roof. So there's going to be a chill spot here on the roof. You can come and hang out, you can breeze out, you can chill, whatever it is that you want to do. When it is completed, it's going to look beautiful. As well as you have your swimming pool downstairs. So when you're ready, you can just go out, get a swim. You and your family and your friends have a good time. But I'm going to give you guys a tour of the units, and then I'll catch you back on the other side of that video, all right? I don't know what you're waiting on to contact Mr. Keys. As a matter of fact, if you don't want to go in the description, here's the number on your screen right now. Give him a call, schedule your viewing, come in, look on the potential that is here at Dulwich and make a decision today. So don't hesitate, these units don't stay very long. When I came here a few months ago, almost all units were available, and now we're only down to 4. Probably by the time you're seeing this video, it could be down to 3. So don't delay. Make your contact right now and come and view this property for yourselves. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoy the contents that we post here on this channel, and continue to support the journey by liking, by subscribing. Leave your comments. Remember to always share the video with somebody. If you don't know anybody looking for properties, just go ahead, share it on your status, share it on your social media pages. I'd really appreciate that. But thank you so much for the love and support. And for now, it is peace out from ChriSamz, and we'll catch you guys in another video.